Hi, my name is Hope and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a slip knot to begin your crochet project. You will need a ball of yarn. In this case it is a 4-ply medium weight yarn and a hook. In this case it is a 5mm hook. There are two ways that you can make a slip knot. One, you grab your yarn and you take the other end and you cross it over like this. Next, you take this side and you push it through that loop. Pull it up. Holding this end, you take the other end of your yarn and you put your finger through that loop that you pulled through and pull. Next, take your hook, stick it into that loop, and pulling on each side, you tighten that loop around your hook. Don't tighten it too much because your hook needs to freely move. I will show it to you again much closely. With your left hand, hold the end of your yarn. With your right hand, hold the end that is closer to your skein. Flip it over, crossing it over. Hold these together. With your right hand, push some yarn through that little loop, like this. With your middle finger in the back, take that other strand that is attached to the skein and hold it. Put your middle finger on your right hand through the loop that you were holding and gently pull to tighten. Now, take your hook and put it into that loop. Tighten around your hook by pulling on both sides of the yarn in opposite directions. The second way is the way that I usually do it. I will show it to you in real time and then I will show it to you slowly. Okay, so wrap your yarn around your index finger. Gently hold it between your thumb and your middle finger. Put your hook through and twist all the way around. With your thumb and your index finger, hold that area that has been twisted so that you can see the little space, that little space. With your left middle finger, pull up the yarn, put your hook under, wrap it around, hook it on, and pull that yarn through that loop that you're holding. Let go from your thumb and pull up with your hook. Again, pull these two in opposite directions to tighten. Check to make sure that it's not too tight. Let's do this again. Wrap around your index finger. Hold with your middle and your thumb. Put your hook in and twist all the way around. Hold the loop, pull out, hook under, gently pass through, move your thumb, pull up, and tighten. And that is your slip knot. I hope you enjoyed my video. Choose whichever option is easier for you, and I will see you in the next video where we will learn to chain a chain. Thanks for watching. Bye.